Here's some Eastern versus Western philosophy trivia. Subscribe. Which Eastern philosophy emphasizes harmony with the Tao? Is it A. Jainism, B. Confucianism, C. Buddhism, or D. Taoism? The correct answer is Taoism. Who is a foundational figure in Confucianism? Is it A. Zhuangzi, B. Confucius, C. Mozi, or D. Laozi? The correct answer is B. Confucius. What virtue is central to Aristotelian ethics? Is it A. Loyalty, B. Honor, C. Virtue, or D. Humility? The correct answer is C. Virtue. Which school of thought in India stresses nonviolence? Is it A. Jainism, B. Islam, C. Zoroastrianism, or D. Confucianism? The correct answer is A. Jainism. Which philosopher wrote Critique of Pure Reason? Is it A. Kant, B. Plato, C. Aristotle, or D. Nietzsche? The correct answer is A. Kant. Name the collection of sayings attributed to Laozi. Is it A. Tao Te Ching, B. Upanishads, C. Bhagavad Gita, or D. Analects? The correct answer is A. Tao Te Ching. Which philosopher is known for the dialectic method? Is it A. Aristotle, B. Socrates, C. Descartes, or D. Kant? The correct answer is B. Socrates. What is the Japanese term for a way of life guided by Zen? Is it A. Zen Buddhism, B. Shinto practice, C. Taoist philosophy, or D. Confucian teachings? The correct answer is A. Zen Buddhism. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.